Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to use the cosine ratio to determine the angles of a triangle. Now by now, I hope you've already seen the tangent ratio and the sine ratio, so this method is going to start being very familiar to you. Our rule for cosine, shortened to cos over angle, is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. Okay, very similar to sine, but instead of opposite over hypotenuse, we have adjacent over hypotenuse. And we want to use that to find angle V, this angle, in our triangle. Now labeling our triangle, our hypotenuse is opposite the right angle. And the other side that we know is this side, which relative to this angle is the adjacent. Okay, so we've got the adjacent and we've got the hypotenuse. So we're going to use cosine to solve the angle of this triangle. Let's fill in the information that we know. So our adjacent length is 13.5 divided by our opposite is 16.9. Now to get rid of cos of the angle, we're going to use the inverse cos. So our angle is the inverse cos -1 of the ratio 13.5 divided by 16.9, and that can be placed on our calculator. So taking out my calculator, to get to cos -1, I'm going to use shift cos. Okay, cos -1 of 13.5 divided by 16.9, close bracket, equals, and 36.98, that will round up, and because we now go over 9, this will round to 37.0 degrees. So using cos, we just determined that the size of this angle is 37.0 degrees.